Hey guys, welcome to our video about KuCoin, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that has been gaining a lot of attention from cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors around the world since its launch in 2017. It's one of the most popular and safest non-KYC crypto exchanges out there. With the rapid growth of cryptocurrencies, the demand for reliable and user-friendly exchanges has never been higher. And that's where KuCoin comes in. It provides a platform for users to trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies in a secure and hassle-free manner. You are watching Crypto University, where we bring you the latest and greatest content about all things crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain in a fun and engaging way. We're thrilled to have you here with us today, and we hope you're ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Before we get started, we want to remind you that your privacy and security are our top priorities. We will never ask for your personal information or contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of spam comments and scams in the comments section. Now let's jump right into the content. Our mission is to make learning about crypto as enjoyable and accessible as possible. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer to the world of blockchain, we have something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Don't forget to watch the full video and give us a like if you want to see more of this kind of content. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto University, where the world of crypto is just a click away. What is KuCoin? KuCoin is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2017 and is based in Hong Kong. It is known for being a non-KYC exchange, which means that users can trade cryptocurrencies without having to go through any identity verification processes. This is a huge plus for people who value their privacy and don't want their personal information shared with third parties. How does KuCoin work? KuCoin works just like any other cryptocurrency exchange. Users can deposit cryptocurrencies into their KuCoin wallet and then use those funds to trade with other users on the platform. KuCoin offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade, including some of the most popular ones such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Is KuCoin safe? One of the biggest concerns people have when using a non-KYC exchange is whether or not it is safe. With KuCoin, you can rest assured that your funds are safe. KuCoin employs several security measures to ensure that its users' funds are protected. These include multi-factor authentication, SSL encryption, and regular security audits. KuCoin also has a dedicated team that is responsible for monitoring the platform for any suspicious activity. If any suspicious activity is detected, KuCoin will take immediate action to mitigate the risk and protect its users. Benefits of using KuCoin. There are several benefits to using KuCoin as your preferred non-KYC crypto exchange. First and foremost, the platform offers a high level of privacy and anonymity, which is important for many users who do not want to share their personal information with third parties. Additionally, KuCoin offers competitive trading fees, which can save you money in the long run. The platform also has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced traders alike. KuCoin also offers a mobile app for iOS and Android devices, allowing you to trade cryptocurrencies on the go. The app offers all the same features as the desktop version, including access to your wallet and trading pairs. Drawbacks of using KuCoin. While KuCoin is a great non-KYC crypto exchange, there are some drawbacks to using the platform. For one, KuCoin is not available in all countries, so you may not be able to use the platform depending on where you live. Additionally, KuCoin has faced some security breaches in the past, although they have taken steps to improve its security measures since then. As with any cryptocurrency exchange, there is always some level of risk involved, so it is important to do your research and take precautions to protect your funds. Additional features of KuCoin. In addition to the standard features offered by most cryptocurrency exchanges, KuCoin also offers some unique features that set it apart from its competitors. One such feature is KuCoin Shares, KCS, which is the platform's native token. Holding KCS can provide users with several benefits, including lower trading fees, access to exclusive promotions and events, and a share of the platform's revenue. KuCoin also offers a feature called margin trading, which allows users to trade with borrowed funds. This can be a useful tool for experienced traders looking to maximize their profits, but it is important to note that margin trading can also increase your risk of losing money. Finally, KuCoin offers a feature called KuCoin Futures, which allows users to trade futures contracts on cryptocurrencies. Futures trading can be a complex and risky endeavor, but it can also offer the potential for significant profits. How to get started with KuCoin? Getting started with KuCoin is easy. Simply visit the KuCoin website and create an account. Once you have created an account, you can deposit funds into your KuCoin wallet and start trading. The platform offers a wide range of trading pairs, so you can find the cryptocurrencies you want to trade with ease. It is important to note that while KuCoin is a non-KYC exchange, you may still need to go through identity verification processes if you want to withdraw large amounts of funds from your account. This is to comply with anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. Tips for using KuCoin. If you decide to use KuCoin as your non-KYC crypto exchange, there are a few tips to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and successful trading experience. First, make sure to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your account. This will provide an extra layer of security and help prevent unauthorized access to your account. Second, always double-check the trading pair and amount before placing a trade. Trading cryptocurrencies can be a complex process, and mistakes can be costly. Third, consider diversifying your portfolio by trading a range of cryptocurrencies. KuCoin offers a wide variety of trading pairs, so take advantage of this and explore new opportunities. KuCoin Community. In addition to the benefits and features of KuCoin, it is important to note that the platform has a strong community and support system. KuCoin has an active social media presence and regularly engages with its users through platforms such as Twitter, Telegram, and Reddit. The platform also has a dedicated support team that is available 24/7 to assist users with any issues or questions they may have. KuCoin has also demonstrated its commitment to innovation and staying ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency space. The platform has launched several initiatives aimed at promoting the adoption and development of blockchain technology. For example, KuCoin has launched a venture capital arm called KuCoin Labs, which invests in promising blockchain projects and startups. It is also important to note that KuCoin is not immune to security breaches. In 2020, the platform experienced a major hack that resulted in the theft of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, KuCoin is a great option for anyone who values privacy and wants to trade cryptocurrencies without having to go through any identity verification processes. The platform offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade, competitive fees, and unique features such as KuCoin shares and margin trading. While there are some potential risks involved, KuCoin has a strong track record of security and is a reliable platform for trading cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. And be aware that the price prediction is according to the sources, but it should not be taken as financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.